we all love this little pocket samosas, we call Irani samosas, but among that, onion samosas are very favorite. Today I am going to make the chicken samosa with it. So here is the pan, just we are going to add some onion. In this, add very little oil, add salt and just let it cook little bit. This is getting cooked. In this add green chili, ginger garlic paste, and in this add the masalas. Little bit of garam masala, coriander powder, cumin powder, red chili powder. With this, just saute it, and in this add chicken keema. So chicken keema, always remember, chicken keema, make sure that there is no too much fat, otherwise that will leave a lot of fat. So in this, mix this. Now make sure that the chicken is cooked, and this will take around 5-6 minutes. Do not put the lid on, let the moisture evaporate, because we want this mixture a little bit dry. When this kind of dries out, in this add finely chopped mint and little bit of coriander. This is good. Now transfer this into a plate and let this cool down, and we will be able to make these awesome samosas. We can also make onion samosas. I am just going to make 2 of them because Queen Victoria wants them. Just little bit of onion, add pressed rice so that it absorbs the moisture from it. In this, add little bit of masalas, the chili powder and whatever masalas you like. Add salt, mix this. If you want to add some coriander, and keep this ready for the samosa. Spicy onion samosa. We are going to make the dough with atta and maida, equal quantities, and add a little bit of water, oil, and make it into a very soft dough. Look at this, very nice and soft. Now you are going to roll this into a very thin sheet that you can make. For this, you have to take a lot of flour on the table so that this can come out nice and easy. So look at this. Every time you roll once or twice, just take this sheet, rotate in the flour like this, you will be able to roll it one more time. So if you need more flour, put it and roll it. The whole idea is to make it like Roomali roti. Usually these samosas, the little pocket samosas, are made with Roomali rotis. Even Roomali rotis are made like this. But on the hottest tawa, just put the roti, and you don't cook it too much. Just on the hot tawa, just like 7-8 seconds, count 7 or 8, then pull it, and on the other side too, like this. That's it. If it cooks slightly, it is better. Then you are going to cut this into strips, and we are going to make this triangle samosas. Make the roti as thin as possible. Now just make the strips. 1, 2, 3. So look at them. I have made a lot of them and cut these strips. We are going to use these strips to make samosas. So these will make excellent samosas, and when you fry them, they will become nice, crispy, and you will see how wonderful. You can do onion samosa, keema samosa, chicken samosa, whatever samosas you want. All you need to do is take some of the chicken mixture, fold it. So very simple. Fold one more time like this and like this. So the edges get sealed. Now when you get to this point, look at this, so simple. Take some of the maida. This is all purpose flour. I put little bit of warm water and just apply. And the same thing with onion samosa. This pressed rice we mixed with the onions, with the masalas. Don't try to fill in too much. Just little bit of this, because this is going to be onions and it will be so tasty. So one more time like this, and just get a triangular shape. While you are folding, you can just adjust it and make it a nice triangular fold. So these beautiful onion samosas, first I am going to fry, and on a medium heat you need to fry. Only then you will get that nice beautiful color, and as well as they will be crunchy to the bite. Crunch will remain for like really hours together. Look at this, how golden and beautiful. This is onion samosa, and here is the keema samosa that will go in. Wow, look at these beautiful triangles, and we call this Irani samosas or pocket samosas or triangle samosas. They call it ribbon samosa, whatever you call, but Hyderabad mein Irani samosa chalta hai. और इसके साथ, अरे क्या कहानियां बताऊं, इसके साथ क्या क्या प्लानिंग हुआ है लाइफ में. वाव, द ब्यूटिफुल चिकन समोसा. वाव, you know, they're so easy to make, but the only thing is, once you make them, you can't stop eating them. They are so good. And these things are ready. Now, time to call Hyderabadi style. Hey, Queen Victoria, आजा. बहुत बहुत गरम है, मुंह जलेगा. ये ले ले इधर से.
अरे तुम चाय नहीं पी रहे?
गरम है, गरम है, गरम है. ये ले ले. ले ले. एक मेरे को भी एक बाइट दे देना. The crunch is so good. My God. That's the chicken samosa we got. We'll go for the onion samosa next. जो ये कॉम्बिनेशन ट्राई किया उसको मालूम है ये समोसा और ईरानी चाय के साथ क्या क्या प्लानिंग हो सकता है.
कितने सारे पट्टियों को विजिल मारा होगा.
कितना कितना देख, वो मैं विजिल मार के भी बहुत टाइम हो गया. ये समोसा और ये चाय आते ही सीटी बज गया. That is for pataing a girl like that. There are so many whistles and each whistle has a message.